seatbelt. Hey, what's up guys? Back in action.
Hey guys, back in action here, and today we're making new ramps for my car trailer. Ramps I have are about 5 feet. They're made out of a C-channel and an angle iron. And for this ramp, we're going to be using this 1x2 tubing. It says it's 11 gauge, and I got 4 panels of 12 feet. So hopefully that's enough. Each ramp, I'm going to make them 6 feet, so I have a little less angle when I'm bringing up low cars. And then they're going to be a little over a foot wide. I'll have the cross riggers be 1 foot, and then each of these tubes are an inch wide. So, 14 inches total width. So we're going to start cutting. These are going to be our 2 outside panels, and then we'll make the riggers to go across it, weld it all together, and it'll be done. Like I said, I'm aiming for 1 foot. These are going to be my sideways panels. This is what the car is actually going to make contact with. I'm going to see if I can cut 2 of these at once. That'll just make sure the widths are even. So here we've got all the rungs laid out. I spaced them 9 inches on center. And then whichever end I decide to be the top, there is a 9-inch gap here. But what I'll end up doing is doing some C-channel so it'll latch on to the edge of my trailer, because my trailer just has a vertical rail. If your 1 clamp doesn't reach the full width, you can use 2 clamps and put them together. Works awesome. And then my welding table is only a couple feet. So this nice wooden bench becomes a welding table if you put handicap signs on it. So we've got all the rungs tack welded on here. It was nice and strong. I used it as a ladder just to see how strong it was. So this is going to be the bottom, this is going to be the top. So now what I need to do is make that tang that holds onto the edge of the trailer. I'm going to cut a notch in the bottom of this, and that's going to be the hook that holds it. And then I'll run flat steel across there, and that'll reinforce it. So here you can see we've got these grooves cut. I've got a piece of angle iron that's going to go over top of it like that. And that's going to reinforce this top rail, because this is what's going to take the load. And this side here is definitely going to have some in and out pressure on it. And I'm kind of just hoping that this piece of angle iron is enough to reinforce it up. Also, this isn't angle iron, it was square tubing that I cut. Dun, dun, dun. So I'm going to weld it on like that, and then they're done. Works all right. I'll probably end up making that channel just a little bit bigger if it's just a little tight. I couldn't remember how big this rail was, but I didn't bother measuring either. But it seems like it's gonna work out awesome. Here we've got the original ramps. They suck. So you can see there's a big difference between these two. This one's nice and light. Yeah, this one's not. This one's also prettier. Not mangled, not bent, and longer. So, should be awesome once I get it all welded up. Make the other one, make this notch a little bigger, and it'll be awesome. We'll be trying it out on the channel.